Hey guys, it's Becky from thecookierookie.com, and today I'm so excited to be making my new favorite way to start the day, Bulletproof Coffee. If you haven't heard about this keto sensation, today's the day. It's such a great way to start your day because you're starting with the right kind of fats, minerals, vitamins, everything you need to kickstart that energy and get your day rolling the right way. We're gonna talk all the tips and tricks and also optional add-ins to make it taste that much better. Hope you're excited. Let's get started. We're gonna start with 2 cups of hot coffee, and we're just making enough for you for the day. So you can make in bigger quantities, and on the blog you'll be able to bump up or down the servings, but today we're just gonna make it just for me. So 2 cups of hot coffee. It's important that it's hot so that everything blends together and melts just the right way. So the next ingredient is ghee or grass-fed butter. You want to use ghee if possible, and it's so easy to make. You can also buy it, but if you want to make it, you just boil high-quality butter. The whey that comes to the top, you're going to skim off, kind of toast the bottom, and then strain everything. What's left is a lactose-free version of butter. It tastes nutty and fabulous, and it's really healthy. You can keep it for longer than butter, and it also has a higher smoke point than butter. Perfect for baking, cooking. It's a great ingredient to keep around your kitchen. We're gonna use it in this bulletproof coffee to give us those good healthy fats for the morning. We'll put it right in. Next, we're going to add our MCT oil. This is a great ingredient as well. It stands for medium chain triglycerides, or also chain fatty acids. It's a great fatty acid to start your day. It suppresses hunger, it increases immune health, it has all sorts of added benefits, and it's awesome. MCT oil stays colorless, odorless, and also liquid and room temperature, so it's great to add into drinks opposed to something like coconut oil that you would have to melt beforehand. Perfect for our bulletproof coffee. Next, we're going to add just cinnamon and pink salt. Now these are both for flavor, but also for benefits as well. Pink salt is a type of salt that is high in magnesium and potassium and has extra flavor, more than a table salt or a kosher salt. So we're just gonna add that in to give a little extra pep and flavor. Now all we have to do is blend our bulletproof coffee and enjoy. Use a high-powered blender and just blend enough to make it nice and smooth.